Have you ever wondered how pistachios are made? It's a question that may have tickled your curiosity as you munched on these small yet flavorful nuts. The process, my friends, is not as simple as one might think. Indeed, the journey of a pistachio from bud to nut is a dance of nature and human ingenuity. A symphony of complexity and sophistication that results in the crispy delight we all relish. Well, wonder no more? We're about to unravel the mystique. The journey of a pistachio begins in the orchard. Here, pistachio trees are carefully cultivated from seeds, embarking on a long journey that spans several years before they start bearing the fruits of our patience. Yes, you heard that right. It takes a good 7 to 10 years for a pistachio tree to mature and start producing those delightful little nuggets we love so much. In the fullness of time, the trees spring to life, blossoming into a spectacle of pink and white flowers. It's a sight to behold, but the real magic happens when these blooms start to fade, giving way to the formation of buds. These buds, over time, transform into hard-shelled nuts, the precursors of the pistachios we know and love. This transformation is nature's way of packaging the goodness of the pistachio, protecting it until it's ready to be harvested, and thus the pistachio, as we know it, begins to take shape. As summer ends, the pistachios are ready for harvest. This is when the magic of machines comes into play, transforming the landscape into a bustling hive of activity. Powerful shakers embrace the sturdy trunks of the pistachio trees, sending a tremor through their branches. Like a gentle rain, the ripe pistachios fall, cascading into the waiting nets below. Once the trees have given up their bounty, it's time for the collection process. Workers, aided by machines, gather the fallen pistachios, ensuring not a single nut is left behind. This is a race against time, as pistachios exposed to the elements can deteriorate quickly. The harvested pistachios are then loaded onto trucks. These vehicles, filled to the brim with the green gems, transport them to the processing facilities. Here, they will undergo a transformation that readies them for the world's dining tables. Harvesting is just the first step in the pistachio's journey. After harvesting, it's time to reveal the pistachio inside the hard shell. The journey of our little green gem doesn't end in the orchard. Next, it's off to the drying process. This is a crucial step, where the moisture content of the gathered pistachios is significantly reduced. Why, you ask? Well, it's to prevent the onset of mold, ensuring that the nuts stay fresh and maintain their delicious flavor. Once the drying spell is over, we move on to what we call hulling. This is where the outer hull, a soft, somewhat fleshy covering, is removed. It's a bit like peeling off a jacket, revealing the hard shell beneath that houses the nut. This shell, as tough as it is no match for the might of the drying process. You see, as the pistachios dry, something quite marvelous happens. The shells split open, almost as if they're giving us a cheeky little wink. It's a natural occurrence and an indication that the nut inside is ready for consumption. This split is not only a sign of a mature nut, but also makes it easier for us to access the nutritious goodness inside. And there you have it, the pistachio as we see it in stores. From a humble bud on a tree to a split-shell nut, the journey of a pistachio is a testament to the marvels of nature and the diligence of human effort. But the journey doesn't end there. Once our precious pistachios are harvested and shelled, they undergo another transformation. Depending on the preference, they might be gently roasted, bringing out their unique rich flavors, or perhaps salted, enhancing their inherent nutty character. From there, they are carefully packed, ensuring their freshness is locked in, ready to be unleashed the moment you crack open the packet. These packets of joy are then distributed far and wide, finding their way to store shelves across the globe. So the next time you pop a pistachio into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the complex journey it's taken. From a humble bud on a tree, through the careful process of harvesting and shelling, to the final stages of roasting and packing. It's a long and intricate path, all to bring you that delightful crunch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like if you've enjoyed journeying through the intriguing world of pistachios.